just chilling, drinking some Joe. How you guys doing? Coffee? I don't want to spill my Joe. Alright. That's getting a little bit foggy. Need windshield wipers for these bad boys. So, come on, I have to show you something. Look at this. What do you see? You see my pretty face next to a soda bottle? Yeah, of course. Do you see sun-kissed? Because I don't. I see sin-kissed. Kiss with the devil. That was a workout. Or possibly sin lust. Sin lust. I think it's a bunch of evildoers in that company. It's a little hot. What else? Horses. You like horses? There's a map so you can get there. You see that? Memorize that. Meet up later. What's this? Bye guys.